Hey guys, so here's the ring light. I literally just like finished setting it up, and I'm still not done setting it up, but I just wanted to like get on here and show you guys what I have so far. I wasn't gonna film this, but then I just decided to film it because the ring light is actually mad, like it's not expensive at all. That's why I just wanted to get on here and like make sure like I film this whole process and show you guys if like anything is like wrong. Sorry if that keeps coming in the way, but yeah, this is the ring light. I haven't put the camera here yet because I'm holding it, but you guys will see like the whole when I turn it on and everything, because like I said, I literally have not finished setting it up yet. I'm gonna put this later, so I'm gonna show you guys how it came. So this part right here came much smaller. Clearly, you know, it came much smaller and it was all compacted into this box. Yeah, and sorry you guys if it looks so orange in here, like, you know, no light, and it looks so gloomy. It's actually so gloomy outside, it's not funny. So we are gonna be dealing with some yellow light today. But anyway, yeah, this is how it looks. It just came in this box right here. That's how this part came. It came in an even bigger box, like the whole ring light. It came in this OD big box right here. So yeah, I'm gonna zoom in, but like that shows my address and stuff, so we're not gonna do that. And yeah, it's empty now. I took everything out. The ring light itself, like the light itself, came in this big thing. Yeah, it came in this really big bag. It's just sitting on my bed, so like you can see what kind of sizing it is. Like it's really big. And I bought the 18-inch ring light, so I'm trying to like take this out. The light was sitting in here when I took it out, and yeah, it's really big. I bought like the 18-inch, like I said. And here are the filters. I haven't taken these out yet. I believe these are the warm filters. These are like, yeah, these are the warm filters. I might try them both on and show you guys how they look. Yeah. So you just put this, I guess you just clip this around the ring light, and it gives you off a different color vibe. And here's the clear one. This is the one I'm going to be filming mostly with anyway, because I don't think that really goes with what I do on my channel. More beauty related stuff, so I need like clear stuff. So yeah, I'm going to clip these on too so you guys can see. It also came with these extra things. I do not know where they go as of yet. Let me see if it's like focusing. Yeah, I do not know where these go as of yet, but I'll figure it out and I'll let y'all know when I do. So yeah, this is just how this came. Let me just put this back and just close it up. And that's literally just all that's in there. It's actually rather big, but if I ever wanted to take my ring light somewhere for like anything, I can just pack it up in here and just take it on the go. It's actually rather easy to do that. Yeah, so I was watching, that's why my laptop is here like that. I was watching this video. Okay, so I was watching this video earlier to like see how I could set up the ring light, and this shit was like, I couldn't even figure it out. And once I did figure it out, that's when I realized that they actually put instructions in it. And yeah, but I'm guessing they didn't put instructions in it like 2-3 years ago, because every video that I was watching, they were saying like there was no instructions in it. So I'm guessing they took their advice and decided to make some instructions. But yeah, I didn't realize they had instructions till I was finished, so that was a waste of time, but I guess YouTube helped. And what was it? Let me zoom this out. Yeah, so I'm gonna go, I think I'm actually gonna try and like turn this on now so you guys can see a before and after. Yeah, I'm gonna turn it on so you guys can see. So I turned off the lights so we can see like an exact before and after without all the orange backlight. And let me see, I think you turn it on from down here. Oh, yeah, saw that? I don't know what I just did. Oh my god, you guys. Oh shit, it just lit up my whole room. Wait a minute, y'all see this? Oh my god, you guys, literally everything just lit the hell up. That is crazy. That's insane. Alright, so I'm gonna turn it off so y'all can see like the difference. I'm gonna turn it off from this way so y'all can see. So y'all see how lit up it was over here, how lit up it is right now. I'm gonna turn it off. Oh, and it goes up and down, like y'all see it's getting brighter. The light is getting brighter too. You can dim it just by turning this thing right here. Yeah, you can. Wow, it got so bright just now. Y'all see the room? And the lights are completely off. Now I'm gonna dim it so you guys can see what's happening. Wow. Woo. So I'm gonna turn it off completely so y'all can see the difference. Woo. Y'all see that? I just completely turned it off. And I'm gonna turn it on again. Woo. Yo, that's insane, guys. It's so... Alright, so I think I'm gonna show my face on it now so we can see like how it actually looks. Yeah, I'm gonna turn it back off. Sorry for the mess, guys. It's like all this unboxing, and y'all see even the knife, like everything, it's just all over the place. But yeah, it'll get cleaned up. So I'm gonna show you guys, I'm gonna set up and y'all can see how like it looks. Okay, so as you guys can see, this is just like normal lighting in my room right now, like no ring light, no anything. So I'm gonna turn on the light so you guys can see an exact before and after of how it blows up on my face. So right now, no ring light, just regular me. Woo! That's so bright, you guys. Y'all just saw that? Like now it's... Let me try and dim it so you guys, so right now it's like at the lowest dimmed, and now I'm gonna bring it up. I'm gonna brighten it more, and this is the brightest it gets, like the brightest it gets, and it's completely bright right now. I literally can't even look at the camera correctly, so I know I'm not even gonna be able to use that. That's just too bright. I'm gonna dim it a little bit. Yeah, right here is good. Like I can see myself and I can see the camera and everything, so I might be able to just use this part. Sorry if I look crazy. Face is not beat, you know, but it's okay. You guys, this is amazing. Like this ring light though. So I think I'm gonna stay here and then just talk to you guys for the rest of the video. So I'm gonna tell you guys which ring light this is. I'm gonna link it down below because I feel like I've gotten it cheaper than everyone else, and I just don't know how, you know. So I just got really lucky. Like every time I tried to buy this ring light a few months ago, like almost 6 months ago, I wanted this ring light, but it was like on sale for like $99 or something on Amazon. And then I checked again and the price had gone up to like 100 and something. Then I just completely forgot about a ring light, and I came back like 2 weeks ago and I started like looking up ring lights again because I really wanted like better quality for my videos. Then I just went back on Amazon and I saw that it was on, like the price had reduced again. And then I'm like, listen, if I don't get it now, like I'm not gonna get it ever. So I just decided to go for it. And I'm gonna link the exact ring light down below so you guys can get it. So let me tell you guys how much the ring light was exactly. Ooh, yes, I know it's delivered. Okay, so this ring light was $89.99, and the ring light I got was 18 inches. So this is, I believe, the biggest they have. They also have a 14 inch, which is $10 less. So I just decided to get the 18 inch because I feel like this goes better with what I need to do. You know, I think it just goes better with what I need to do. And I just realized I didn't even put in like the filter things that go around it. I don't know what it's called. Let me bring it up to you guys. I think I said I was gonna show you guys how they look on the thing, so I'm gonna clip them too, and I'm also gonna clip the clear one. I just realized I didn't do that, so yeah, I'm gonna clip these on next for you guys to see. But the ring light is $89.99. The 14 inch one is $79.99, so just $10 difference. Might as well get the 18 inch because it's much bigger and it can just cover up your whole face. Literally, like, I've never had this much light just hit my face all at one time. I guess that's the best part about getting a ring light. Like, you're literally lit up everywhere, like evenly everywhere. Like, do you guys see that? That's insane. So yeah, this is the cheapest I've ever come across this ring light. It's so many different ring lights on Amazon. All right, so this is how the warm filters look. I most likely won't be using these because this doesn't go with the stuff I do on my channel. I'm gonna put the clear ones in, and most likely these are the ones I'm gonna be using. These just look too orange. Okay, so I clipped on the light filters. I haven't turned it on yet. I'm gonna turn it on right now. Shit it. Whew. All right, so this is how the light filters look. The warm ones just wasn't. The warm ones just wasn't doing it. So most likely I'm gonna use this one. Even though they're not clipped in right, I haven't figured out how to clip them on right. But doesn't matter.